Try
No wahala, no
maybe
wahala, no wahala.
try maybe you send me the screenshot tomorrow, but go look for 800,000.
Ah, yeah.
Just the hustle. Or they
You
on
don't
your
see the
platform, they talk to
800,000.
people, they will support you.
You don't see the 800,000. Then let us know. Not be to go on your platform be the problem.
Almost screenshot of a group. When we book by gas screenshot, Nigeria is allowed.
Okay, press the screenshot here
Bella,
for us.
Bella. What Gawa Kabo?
It's pretty. I see that they
Eh,
feel the screenshot.
yeah, what we book by is not allowed.
Make I check other few screenshot my own too. May I check?
Now iPhone, they use iPhone. You know, I don't feel shorter. Unless I come for life. When I feel
Not the screenshot for iPhone. iPhone users.
now iPhone that they use.
iPhone users. Easy. You know they use that phone now. Okay, what is screenshot for iPhone? Okay, they only screenshot. Okay.
No. Now iPhone that they use. No feel short.
Okay. Don't be saying you go social media, go they say me they give you. May they
Now
help you.
I will beg. I'll come on shame. I will beg. Let me help you. But I don't know me to get that 800,000 because at the time say one. Sir, listen. At the time say 4.2. But you know I that money that. Now people they support me. They bring the money because they are a journal. I need to beg now. Because this one another estimate when I give me so. I need to without I want for the 800. I need to tell them see the condition they give me. May they help me. I must come out. That's why I don't push him. I don't push him. I don't push him, Godfather. I don't push him. I don't tell you the truth. I don't push him.
On your own, go do one. No problem. If you complete 800,000, let me know. It's okay. If that's the leeway.
If anyone want to see the 800,000 I service, so one may provide them.
I'll fix
Yeah.
that.
You can share screen. Hello.
Ogbona, can you screenshot? Yes, I just screenshot my own. I just screenshot. My own let me screenshot, but I don't know for your own.
Now for that,
Nah, Infinix I dey use. Maybe iPhone no dey let them do am. So Epa, thank you. You go work towards it. Wetin be that?
Somebody said 800,000 is too much for him. Pluto, can you come up please and give him the money? So we'll go give him 1 million naira right now. Because some of them have found the right now, they consider people where they do donation. In everything we do here, we are always transparent. In everything we do here, we are always transparent in everything we are doing. So now they say it's not easy. You can also complete it for him. We have tried. So it's okay. Jama money. When we go to expect 5 million naira to complete?
Sir?
When you go fit raise that amount of money?
Now I'll ask my fans. Now my fans now want to beg my fans and bona fans and your fans. I said they hear this matter. Now some of them, if I open my life like they may call. Okay, Jama money. They hear what I put for Godfather platform. They say me I go this 800 million, 800,000. Okay, so how much they can support me? So that me not to stress myself. It can happen like that. God way.
4.2.
God only God like it happen.
that 4.2 million naira wey dey with you so. I hear say not complete again. I hear say not complete again. Wait.
Bro, sorry,
You tell me.
senior man.
Wait first, wait. If you tell me the truth now, say see how much you don use for inside o, see how you use am o, then we go know how to complete am for you now. Na because of you all of us dey here. But you don dey tell me truth again. Just tell us say see how much remain for the money o.
I don't think they like wetin they don't know about that boss. No, man, I tell you wetin they don't know about that boss. If you come for with Benjo,
not be boss.
wait.
The money
Now,
e complete the 4.2, or you just if you no complete 4.2, make we know we go take cover am for you. You no tell us say bros see how much
He complete. That guy said the feed am.
Ogbonna, you
That guy said the feed am.
Ogbonna, you no dey with
no, sir, I come 20,000. I take buy medicine. I come 20,000. I take buy medicine. I come 20,000. I take buy medicine.
Ogbonna dey
Okay, 2.180. I did there.
Ogbonna.
Yes, I was saying I come for you. I was saying I come for you. Listen, I'm not feeling like I bad girls.
You people should go inside.
Bad girls. But I don't want.
Yeah, man. Oh, funny. But you, wait. I don't buy it. Mama money. No, he go just sincere to us on it. He go tell us say how much he don use, so that maybe we know how to take computer for this man. Make this man for go start life. No dey lie to us again. Na 4.2 we donate. How much remain?
I don't like what. See medicine. See something I don't feel call. See medicine I go buy. Like inside money. Okay, I dey find help. I go die. Who wan use the money?
Why you not tell me sister you take for inside the money to buy drugs? So if
you never ask me now.
So if you don't do, I never ask you. I never ask you wetin. I no ask you see how much remain. You say na 4.2 million. Then
the money is.
If you tell me now say you use 20,000 to buy.
Yeah, calm down now. They answer question. Why they stress yourself? They calm down. They answer question. No, they shout. Calm down. Don't tell you before.
If we can't give you 1.8, now we can't look for 20,000. Oh, wow, joy.
No, that one, my custody. That one not be problem. Wait till be 20,000, I don't feel raise. Wait till be 20,000, I don't feel raise. If I start to work, wait till be 20,000. Even the man where they ask this guy there, I think that's making me 20,000. I'm not take me put am first. If you give me, I don't be bad person like that. Because that might make me come be lazy man. God. I don't be lazy man. That might make me come be lazy man. I leave everything for God. That's why I say okay. If I fit give me, that's why I say if I fit give me.
This is Jama money. Now I know say you be lazy man. This guy want kill off his laugh. Oh, is that not Germany make a lazy man? I beg wanna help this man no make come up for online no. Wanna help this man no. I beg go.
Epa, make come.
You want kill him for laugh now? Make the man no laugh.
My brother, not the matter of laugh.
You want kill him for laugh? Make no laugh.
Epa, wait.
How you tell me say you lazy?
Epa, wait. These people are. Sir, ask them well. I say they now that time when she talk, no say they say if you want to give person wife, know the exactly wife when you give her. Not give her wife finish. You say this wife not being what you gonna give her this wife, not being one, but the first I give her. That time argument you call day. You hear me now?
They hear me? How much remain? The money will remain at 1.8 million naira.
Wait, I want to say something. You see this boss, if they come with one seat, when you come with one seat, you go buy seat, do many things for inside because it come with the bed job. Many things when you do, you put the car in order. These people, all those one, the man calculate, judge the money, the calculator say judge the money because the boss will come.
The money. The question wey my friend now be say, how much remain for the 4.2 million? Tell us the truth. May we for know how to raise the money for you.
Remain 1.8. Remain 1.8. 4.8. Now they hear me? 4,180,000. 4,180,000. 4,180,000.
Man, I ain't no time. Bro, who understand this man, I beg?
Hello?
For you, Jama
You
money.
talk and where? You talk and where?
4,180,000.
Okay, 4,180,000.
Yes, I come out 20,000. I take go back us yesterday.
I bet no sequel. Now, Christmas they come. Okay.
Oh, no.
So how you go to the
Yes,
see food
no.
the food wey dey eat to call?
Now because I dey in charge. Even the network, let's say in charge.
Na God go bless am. But take the drugs wey I take tell you. Yeah?
Sir?
Take the drugs the way dem take tell you. Say you should have 4 point
Yes, the data there.
4,180,000. Na it remain 4,180,000 remain. Then it's okay. My fans, how una see this issue? To me, I be say make you go look for the 800k. But I would like to bring people up. Where is my timekeeper and my moderator? I believe you. My moderator is intact. Where is my timekeeper, please? The timekeeper now, you are changing. The timekeeper now, my damn, you know, okay, the timekeeper now, why are you on this? Where is timekeeper? Yeah.
Epa mi don reach here since o.
Who you?
If I make a dey comment section.
All right.
Hello.
Oh yeah, bring people up, moderator.
Hello.
I beg.
Epa how
Timekeeper.
many minutes?
2 minutes. 2
Hello.
minutes. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Epa make you no kokomo start.
You no go come on.
Hello, una good evening, my people. Una good evening. God go bless una. As una take support this our brother, God go bless una. Wetin e no get talk, na me speak and why? Because e no get try with the fans, even people diaspora. You guys try. So make we go find the 800,000. Make e take complete the money. Make e go buy the bus. Una try for am well. God go bless una. God go bless una cause money no easy. I love you guys.
I greet you, Enoge. Enoge Noga, you are doing well. Wetin I wan talk be
You
say,
wait first o, Eda, I never reach your turn, not vex.
I for like make Jama money, may do screen record or screenshots, may send in account to you. I no sure say that money
Well, may
complete.
you wait na Epa, I never reach you. Mimi, not vex, talk. Mimi.
Good evening, oh.
Moderator, if you no call their name, they no respond. Just the people dey comment section here. You know how many people they request at a time? Maybe.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, to me, oh, what Onege say is true. And sometimes, my brother, before somebody asks you something, you have to be very, very honest. To me, oh, you're not supposed to be. You have to be open and say, oh, maybe the money I use it so and so. So now I remain, maybe if it's 600 or 700 or 80, you have to be open so that when people want to help you, they will help you. But when they ask you now, how much is the money? Before you didn't say you buy medicine, and now you say you buy medicine. No, my brother, I'm coming. When you are looking for something from people, you have to be honest and you have to be patient. I don't know. It's like you they get angry. I don't know how to say it. You understand? So now be hoping, my brother, anybody want to help you, you just say, Onege, oh, it's true. Maybe I use some of the money. So now I remember so and so. My brother, trust me, when you open, people will help you. Now, when they open, no, people can help you now today. And it should be, because now when they ask you to go and raise that money, trust me, till next year, you cannot raise that money. So tell him the truth. This is the amount I have now. So, oh, please, maybe my brother, I use so and so. That is the truth. This is what I have now. So that when he can donate for you, he will donate it now for you, so that everybody will be free. Thank you.
One day, your turn.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for your contribution. Because I did that day when everybody they contribute for German man. German man, firstly, your body language tells a lot when they respond to people. You understand? You need to calm down. I know, saying so maybe you take a talk, but you need to calm down. We not be like say you dey rude to get. And also, for my opinion, because I see no person way be say go Nigeria by himself. You go the drive until they survive your family. There's also a lot of businesses where you face put hands. Like for example, like rice business, now very lucrative business for Nigeria for that I do state there. Rice business, beans or oil. You understand? You get your own shop, you go buy things, put, you go they sell. Because this boss, God forbid, if you use not to see accident to call, who want donate for you to take repair the boss? That's number one. And number two, if aging spoil, you know how much for aging to repair aging. That's another point you get. And you know say Agbe full road. God forbid if all these people come collect your boss, who want give you money where you want to go claim am. Still they look all those things. You know say you don't spend some years for abroad and you don't really know the way Nigerians they do things. When I go Nigeria, I see the way that they drive rough. So I don't know whether now all those things you will feel face. So to me, in my own opinion, I for say make you look for another business, make you do. Like for example, like rice business. If you use 20, that almost 5 million where they give you now better money where you fit this.
God, I will deliver to you. Just trust me. If you can't smell or call anybody, I mean, no, my responsibility. Because I don't say,
go.
that's what they talk.
You know they okay.
That's what they talk. They want to change my direction. I don't just know why. This way I want. This way you give me wife. When you want to tell me I'm not a fucker, let me know what I don't do wife.
Leave leave woman.
I mean now I know what I don't do wife.
Leave woman. Come on for inside this matter.
No, example they give example. You give me wife now. You say tell me I'm not a fucker. Let me know I'm not a fuck the wife. When will last for me? When will stay my house? When I think that this boss, I know how to handle it. Now my own. I know how to handle it. That's why this no, I don't want this way I want. I feel adora. If engine is for no call about, I know my responsibility. The moment, sir,
you cannot cheat. You cannot cheat nature. You cannot cheat nature. You say you go free handle land.
Yes, this is my nature.
You say you go free handle land.
Yes.
I want to ask one question. You know when you take the entire bed, right? You know when you take the sleep. You know, you know when you take use your leg, waka enter bed, you go sleep, you go lie down. But do you know when the sleep comes?
Yes.
You know when the sleep comes?
No.
So prove it to me from there. Say you go fit take care of this box. Prove it to me from there. Now strong parable. Okay. And you are a 45 years old man. You have to interpret that parable straight. Interpret that for me and relate to him.
Yes. Yeah, when if not call, you want to sleep already. Your eye already discuss you. You know, say this start to sleep. This start to sleep because if you are not the scarce you are no sleep because if you sleep worry will come.
Next sleep they worry.
For me, if you sleep not the worry, just no way you can see sleep from my eye. Just no way. Because sometimes I want to tell you, see, forget, I don't say God never disappoint me. See, I tell you, I don't say God never disappoint me. Forget say they carry me come. Before something happen to me, I already get it for revelation. Okay, this me. You get it. Let them say God disappoint me. God never disappoint me. God never disappoint me.
Jama money, wait. You get this revelation say they want to deport you.
Go ask people when they might talk. I when they talk, I say, but I did Jamie, but spiritual war, I did Nigeria. Now Nigeria they fight battle. Ask them, they will confirm. I would tell them, say, wait, see, I would tell them from my platform, I did Jamie, I brought but spiritual war, I did Nigeria, they fight battle.
Okay.
Because people they bury my father and they fight them.
Jama money, case
They will
closed.
testify, they will testify.
Wait, case closed. Since you dey see wetin dey happen before e happen, now invoke your future money for spiritual realm to your physical realm take complete that money. Since you be spiritual person.
No, okay, wait.
When you go fit.
Wait, I want to tell you something.
Let me stress myself since. Abeg, pray
No,
first.
wait. Godfather, wait. Godfather, wait. Godfather, wait.
The physical realm.
Godfather, wait. I want to tell you something. Before God use you, you still say just that. Now God use you. No.
God use me.
Wait, I want to tell you something. God say, wait, I tell you something. Before these people, wait. Before these people, they this money.
You know where God
God, they use it. Wait. You wait, Godfather. You wait. Let me speak before you perish me.
Admimona mute. But mute. You know where God used me for you. God used me for you. Me you tell no say bad, not good. Because me not the same man who you don't saga before. I'm not getting I do you.
No, Godfather, no. Oh, this one, let them present the picture. Let them show the picture for saga you. Let them show the picture. Easy way they show you.
Jama money. You want carry me go back to memory. If I play that video, you are not.
No.
If I play with
okay, player. Where for saga you player.
If I play, I'm here now. That not help you again.
Yes, player. Where for saga you? Where for saga you? Where say they swim man, let me not help me. Make them play now. Make them show to the whole world. I know saga anybody. No, me ogbona quarrel. Ogbona me ogbona saga ogbona. Me ogbona where come be my helper so. Saga bring picture come out. Show them where for bring your picture come out. If they feel bring come out, all the whole money will return. Where for show your picture? Where for show your picture? I show your children. I will return your money. They spend man, they may not help me. Wait, apart from that one, you see God use you. No way God use you. No way God use you. Everything happens to hospitality. Everything, everything happens to God use you. All these people they help me.
Jama money. Calm down. The time when the time when they talk about so you remember when Painoge with DJ get issue, you talk about Painoge. I call you, warn you, yes or no? I call you, warn you, say when you don't talk about Painoge matter and DJ matter because you know DJ, yes or no? So what is wrong with you? Why you know if you just calm down? Make God use people to help you.
Bro, Senator.
What's it worry you? Calm down now. Not do like this now.
Bro, Senator, the one where they surprise me now. They say no sabi drive motor. How you want to drive the
people?
Box?
They give a good idea. People they give a good idea. When you supposed to appreciate.
Shop now you take me campus. If you not be angry, you not drive
business. Food stuff business. Now the best business where they boom for Nigeria. Now when Ingo even put eye. You know understand so?
German money. Sorry,
this guy don't understand that.
Senator, not verse. German money, not verse. You don't like a doctor. And you know sabi drive motor. How you want to make up for this business now?
As a big drive.
I say you know sabi reverse.
As a big drive. Okay, wait. Me car. Me I go drive now. But my man not judge me by not judge book by his cover. Me not judge book by his cover. Why not just look beside I be mumu now? I don't know what I do for my life again. And because I need help, I don't know what I do again. Really? Jama make me become a lazy man. Jama don't frustrate my name. Not be me they frustrate. Not be me. Before no they come and say why help me, God already your data for spiritual. God already your data. All these people they help me, this is not ordinary. Then they talk and they go say, Jama they help her. Now my own help their word where I carry. Not be ordinary. You see this help, it come from God. All this help when you do so, not be your power. Not your power, but yes, people, God use you motivate people.
God use
why go say guy? Why go say
Jama money, wait. That same God now, they use me now, they check, balance you right now.
Painoge. Jama money, go down, screenshot your account, send and give Painoge, simple.
Send me that your account first.
Go drop now. Screenshot your account. Then I give Painoge.
He said go send that for me tomorrow. May never drop. Make other persons contribute 2 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, pa. Might go back to work. I greet you now.
Thank you.
I want to be a drive. Nothing. That's like that become mumu like that. Mumu really mumu. No, say the first talk I said this morning, Epa Noje. No, say the first said this morning will cause problem between me and Ogbona. The first talker before.
Jema money
The
wait
first talker
first.
before this morning will cause problem between me and Ogbona.
Jema money wait first.
Now you judge book by
Good
cover.
evening.
Jema money wait first. TikTok Prince, over to you, sir.
Una good evening. Oh.
Good evening.
Good evening. If I no get domo, what? What? For my own view, what you mean is, do this guy they talk truth not me they not talk that money, so the guy don't use money for where he don't use money where he don't use truth me they not talk. And secondly, you know, you say you want to go they drive bus.
Okay, boss, wait.
My talk now.
Stop, short and wait, not verse. Wait.
Okay.
Make person talk. Now you get platform. Now you there here. Now because I do there so. And secondly, you say you want to go to buy, you want to go to drive bus. You will not day Europe for many years. You don't day Europe for many years. Okay. How you want to take the drive motor for Benin? And okay, they will tell you now. So okay, maybe you try raise up 800K. You tell and you tell say you not go see. You day Europe for many years. You know if you save any money for Nigeria to start with. For me, for my opinion, when me get for you, bro, carry the money, not go through the money. Carry the money, go open business. Like all those food stuff business where no way I've talked just now. That would be more better for you. Not feasible they distract you for anything. Nobody they distract you. Now where go they okay for you? Now everybody they try to tell you, not be say they distract you. So then what I get for you now. I agree with you.
Thank you. DJ, over to you, sir.
I greet the household and good evening. Also, I greet you, Baba.
Moderator, anybody will not talk. Moderator, Shasha, they drop the now.
Wait me and see for there because black team people they really know this German money well. If you be simple, you know, they raise there's funds for them because for me, I'm not gonna go use the money. Because if you go buy bus now or go buy Kabu when you want to do Tazi at the end of the day, you know, you can go to get one or two issue or can go to talk and see, but say me fair cut teach me for whatever. For me, you're better you go into as in full stuff, you know, full stuff. At least everybody they chop. There is no way visible say me in a day, no officer like 10K or 20K. And if now that thing and I would be hard. Anything about motor, because motor, if you don't understand business of a motor before, you got now under stress, under responsibility again. And the zero is fun for I think it would be more better for him if he will feel start full stuff business. And what team I'm glad to talk of. I greet everybody.
Thank you. Gifted, over to you.
Hello, now good evening. I greet the house. So for my own opinion, I believe say anything when you be say your mind day, if you do and it go work for you. If your mind day bus to drive bus, may drive bus, but the thing be say you need to dey transparent. If they say screenshot. If they say send. If you use any money, talk say I use you know, you be the first person to dey proactive. You have to be proactive. Even before Bros Enoge ask you say show us the money. Don't just first talk and say I don't use some see how much I don't use for inside though. I beg go see you say your reason. Be transparent. But this one will be say if the talk finish now, even your tone of voice self. Your tone of voice, you know even be like person wey need help. You dey aggressive somehow. I know some so you say they talk over here, but even your facial expression. You be like angry person. I know say you dey in a situation where you feel helpless. You are desperate to get the help, but they calm down. For me, Mona let her do wetin say him want. As far as I don't help her, if you don't come fit do wetin you want do, that you can't know. That's my own opinion.
Thank you. Be nice.
Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Be nice. Thank you for the line where you give me day for
Domo, I greet you, Enoge. I greet you.
Thank you.
We love you, Enoge.
Thank you.
I greet everybody here. I believe we are here for social peace and general organization. Anything we're doing is what doing well. As this man don't say na boss day in mind.
place. I will beg on his behalf. Why I even send request because my money don't even there for the one when they talk. I make a fit talk put so my money don't there for the money where they that account. But now as I dey look this man they respect only a no gay. And I want to ask this man a question. If he say nah, if a no gay talk, he go say dumb, but your people will contribute money for comment, they will talk to you. People will say request, they talk to you. If they say these people, they call these people, if they challenge them, like say nah, a no gay put hand for their pockets, carry give you. You understand? You don't respect the people who give you the money. Or you think you no get force them, you no get call them phone, you must give German money. No, it doesn't work like that. The way you respect a no get, when you call them a pa, you need to respect the people that send you that money as well.
God bless you.
Notice a get person where you work put for in pockets. Nobody. All of us did this place. If you say easy for
Another thing again, he feels so much entitled.
Yes.
Like he feel I'm saying, man, now most say we must to give her that money.
It is a easy. No be at the semi-rope way for commodities. No be there with they. If we not save, if we they live the kind of life where they live now, it is a we go save that money to send for you. No, the things are not done that way. The last time we they talk, you say your woman there, but you don't. They're not gonna ask you question why you don't find woman. Understand? Okay, now you did they finish now with Germany. No save anything. If they want us, we still there for the suffer. More they send you our own money. Now they tell you what to do. Now you say no one do. Okay, the boss business where they your hand. You don't get one naira where you want to complete them. And they buy only medicine. Okay, we accept. If they say make you show that account, it's 100% guarantee that that money no reach 3 million naira. 100% guarantee. Say the money in your hand is not up to. Forget. I know the work we want to do, brother. Listen, let me tell you something. This is what you want to do. That boss now is not up to like this. Yes, but you know, say the money where you get, if they give you 1.8, you go need to buy that boss. He just they struggle to complete that 3 million.
Cover the expenses.
Hold on, brother. If they struggle to collect 1.8 to complete that 3 million where they your hand, so go fit buy the boss. I know what I'm saying. That money where say their hand is not their hand. If not like now, minimize your phone. Wait, let me teach you. If you want to screenshot your somebody where you see for TikTok, maybe you don't saga person before. You said don't saga Obona, you put in picture. And you take screenshot of Obona picture, use the same way, screenshot your account if you know how to screenshot. As you take screenshot person picture for TikTok. Wait, don't saga them. The same system where you take screenshot picture. That's why you take screenshot your account, send it to a Noge. Very simple. Arrest my pen.
If I not stop her based on saying that you're better gifter, you understand?
Yes, you do well. You do well. Thank you so much. Minas, thank you so much. Next.
Bros, Bros, I bet I could just share my points, bros. You see this whole thing now. If you look at this man very well, you see him say, I want to use the word. In voice be like agro voice. So that boss issue when say want do so. Sorry, not being insult. That boss when he say want do so, I believe say he go fit do one. If now waiting it you say want do, more live and more may do one. Because person when want do rice business, when want to do business sometimes it come with experience. You know if you do one. Person imagine this kind of person, a person saying want buy rice. Say okay, give me 3 bags of rice, and like this be, like this be. Okay, may I give you this price? You say no, if you don't want to buy, leave on there. That kind of thing. So the way a voice be so, and that my brother first talk just now say, you dey regard only Enoge as if say maybe now Enoge they contribute the whole money give you. So as your voice be so, now so your voice go be to customer, and as they do like that to customer, 1 or 2, 3 people, they go to share that your name. They go to spoil them, say they go to spoil them, but they talk the truth waiting they do the customer, which is not right. That business not fit grow. So if na boss, I believe say with this invoice, you go fit fight with Agbero, you go fit fight with conductor shopping money, you go fit seek bigger conductor. I be like that. I don't know if you not understand. So that's my contribution.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you. Happiness, your turn.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Domo Labo, Domo sir. I greet you. First of all, Java money. Java said to me, say, Gemini, I make you lazy. My brother, Jamie not make you lazy. You decide to be lazy because you not believe say they go deport you. That was just the truth. If not, you for the gather money down for rainy days. You understand? Now you choose that lifestyle. Not be anybody choose them for you. Now you decide to be
Which
lazy.
money? Which see, I want go there no. Better when they give me, I don't feel use am. See king where they give me.
Mute, I
See king
beg.
where they give me.
Mute, not
Akiro
vex
be
them
this one.
money.
Oh God,
Akiro.
wait. No worry. Now the Jamie, all of us, you
See
understand? You wait first, wait first. And secondly, a lot of people they advise say me go to see no business where they easy. Whether that you say to be boss driver easy for that Nigeria, not to talk less of Bini. So you don't get idea, and I wait at the end and say you know to dig skillful for driving. So that one a big problem for me. I for advise me what jam at the cars go do practice first for like 2 months or a month, to learn and drive with person.
Compare Nigeria people.
Yeah.
He say don't get driving license. That's it,
Yeah.
eh?
Not PDT, but him get driving license. Mommy say you know everywhere for Benin. Where you know? Where if they tell us say okay, stop, next stop, now so place, he go know. You don't know all those things, so you need to practice. That is just the basic truth. If not, you will still come back here again. You'll start for square one, and you come make everybody feel bad. We donate for you. You come let's not wasted effort and money wasted for your own good. You need to learn. If now a month or 2 months, follow somebody drive, learn. Follow know all the roads, then you can now start your own, because giving you this bus style like that blindly, it's I think it's not a wise for me. Sorry.
That's why I tell Jama Money say
Thank you very much, happiness.
today we're going to bring out 3 work. Some people say bag of fries. I need 2 other occupation. He go choose one. Not be that one when they talk since. He go choose one, then we go follow up with him. If not also put person debt, we go still the help him to, as the boss will get the business, we will do it. He will start a business. Meanwhile, he go there use the opportunity, still they do driving too. You go learn that driving until you know road. You go learn driving until you know road. If not, you go easily fall for kidnappers hand. Think you say, they'll tell you say you're the drive they go. For your mind, you don't work today. At the end of the day, they might even be watching you here. You not gonna know. At the end of the day, they'll come tell me say I can't bring money come. That time they'll come tell say, hey, now if you're the need you do the do Vasabi, they all the poor people, now they come out, they are doing it. I don't need all those things. Because the way you be so, if you cannot bring out 800,000 to complete this, if that car spoil, now Facebook you see the your TikTok handle. Now TikTok you comfort they say me they help you, your car spoil me they can help you, and I will not accept that. I'm not the only one who don't help. So we not go continue to they help because your own thinking now, if your car spoil, you come TikTok content they say your car spoil, may they help you, may they help you, you be the trial. I know that is what is going through your mind. Say you must fall back. Don't say no come, no tell me again, say me I help you. But you must open your platform, see your cars for me they come donate for you. So that's it. So you have to choose a business who will stamp on. I never still get the blue that money at 4,180,000 until I see your account balance. I never get the belief. Because your body reaction tells you all that money itself never reach 3 million naira again. Your body reaction I've said it already. But you now you don't want to agree. Because the guy behind you want to tell us say you don't use that kind of amount of money. That one and one. Then another point, the reason why you are looking for that 1.8 million, you can't take cover the expenses. Where we don't know what you use the money to do. You can't use the 1.8 million to run now. You see that 1.8 now. That's now 1.8 today now. If we not take 10 now, you don't tell us now 1.8 again. You tell us say the boss where you want, say not be 6 million again, they don't add join because of Christmas when they come, say now come 6.2. As you they eat the money they go, you the minus and they come out, they add the joiner for the one we still remain. So, Jama Money, the only thing I want to tell you because I don't want to take today for live stream is either you are telling us the truth today, say how much your account, or we go wait, make that guy come back, use the phone, snap and send for me. I believe. But you must,
bros, may I talk?
You must do a business. You know, guy, you want to tell us. At wait, at first, when they deport you come, you raise an alarm, say they deport you. If we not help you, nobody help you. Na only God know how your condition for be now. If as you talk reach, nobody say you one naira, you for rest, because after all you don't give anybody money o. But God can still use some of us, they bless you. As you dey respect me wey you host the life, they respect everybody wey donate, even if na 1,000 naira the person put. That one come dey one side. You German money, I know they doubt you before, but I don't get that for you. The only way you can prove to me now, say the doubt not there your body again. I suspected the foul play from your friend when you in their house. Because your friend, the last time he come on video, he not talk bad word. But all of a sudden now, your friend say, you know, they come video again, say, maybe they talk.
Not be social media person, not be social media person.
Bro, social media or no social media
If
person.
my brother and one, it's not brother and one. No, it's not brother, and I ain't one. Some they call social media again. It's not brother and one. That's not brother and I ain't one. It may not they call social media again. So no like that's not brother and one. You need to obey. It's not brother. Let's not about the conversation. Nobody know. It's not brother and one.
At first, when you dey Lagos, you not tell us you get friends from Benin. At first, you did not tell us that you have a friend.
I tell Bona.
The people and everybody.
I tell Bona say
you tell Bona.
The very day when that man say want give me house. You wait, you hold on, sir. Men are not confuse me. Hold on, sir. That day when that man come and say want give me house.
Wait,
that they hear me now.
Wait, Jama money, calm down.
Wait, hold on. Listen to me very well.
You go talk, calm down. Somebody volunteered to give you house close to Lagos, Ogun State, I think so. You rejected it. You say you need help. Mute, I will come. That one are two. Then the cost is okay, the gas for you for Benin. You reach there, you say the house not good, say it's not motorable. Benin still get Benin. You choose where you want to stay for Benin.
Why?
Mute. You choose
brother.
Where you want to stay for Benin. They listen and you be there.
Let me explain. Let me explain everything to me. People.
I don't hear you.
Somebody want give me house.
Calm down. No mute. I beg. You say you need help. You dey select. That's from day one. You never told us that you have a friend in Benin. You rejected the house in Ogun State. You rejected the one in the Edo State. You say not good. You say it is better when you give the money. You take go route. You say they look for us for Amushi Road. You say that one your man carry. You choose. German money at this junction. Now we go choose for you. You have been a beggar with choice since all this while by telling us that you want this, we'll do it for you. You want this, we'll do it for you. I was even attacking people. Say when they leave you, when they know they insult you again. On this note, you go follow our lead. Because tomorrow, if your car spoil, you don't get money, you will not feel 800,000. Instantly say, okay, pass it the one when I get to, when I gather since there, take. Maybe because say, wow, if I raise for the motion of donation now, before 30 minutes, you don't get that money. I mean, I don't get. They love me. That's why they donate. Obviously, I give anybody money. Yo. They love the kind of work that they do, and they help humanity. If you cannot raise 800,000, then the fourth one, when I can't follow you, you laugh, you smile. When you reach the time, when I call the tell you, say, go look for the 800,000, your mood changed and say, we stress you. You use that word. Maybe you forget. You said it with your mouth. Say, we stress you.